Okay, this is a typical smart meter device. The purpose of this device is to measure electricity. This is the size. So this is a new invention from USM. This device is as powerful as this one. This device is capable of replacing 16 of this one. So when you can see from this panel here, there are 16 outlets. These 16 outlets can represent 16 houses. So this is a prototype unit, and you can see that this device is streaming data to a panel, and the meter readings for 16 outlets are shown here. You can see the unit numbers and the watt hour, typically you will find in meters. And if you look at this one, so this one is one of these outlets is connected to a PC here, and then this is a PC reading. So this will be on the public place, and you can enter a username, and then you enter a password for this one, and instantly you'll be able to monitor the energy consumption for this notebook, the notebook over here. And so this is a much more advanced user interface for representing 16 smart meters, and also the function of this one is you can be used distributedly. So imagining that this is a smart meter, and the power alert will carry power to home, and from a remote, say this is a remote house, and so the user can key in the right username and then the password, and instantly you will see the same graph remotely as we will see that is on the smart meters itself. And on the other hand, for energy service provider, there's another display. Any service provider will have a different user account, and they can actually enter a new password for them to authorization password. Okay, this is a display for the energy service provider, and you can see that it has the parameters. It shows the parameters for 16 houses, and they have their energy bill in terms of watt hour, their payment status, account balance, active, whether they are actively they are an active account, and the payment deadline and things like that. This is the web-based display for the energy service provider. From the energy service provider, the authorized person will be able to key in a username and a password. And from what you see over here are the 16, the parameter, the value of the parameters for 16 units of meters. This is for one the public meter that we were talking about. One public meter has consists of meter reading for 16 houses, as you can see from here, and all of them will be shown of various stuff. the energy bill and the payment status and the account balance and whether they are an active user. From the energy service provider would be able to change the account balance if customers has made a payment. Let's do this, say the customer has paid the full amount instead of 120. Then the energy service provider will be able to submit changes to the meter, and from the meter itself, the user can come in and have a look at what's their balance status, and from there you can see that the account balance now is shown 0 because the customers have made the payment and the energy service provider has updated the account. On the other hand, the user can also remotely log into their user account and look at their account balance, and you can see from here that is also shown as 0. Yeah, thanks.